In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Kia Sorento, located in the passenger side behind the glove box. Let's get started. Moving to the passenger side of the vehicle, we're going to locate the glove box. We're going to go ahead and open it. We're going to start by unclipping this little rod right here. And to do so, all we need to do is push down. And as we push down on this, we're going to pull just like that. And just move it to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and remove both of these clips. There's one located on each side. And to remove those, we can simply grab it and twist. Just like that. We're going to do the same on this side. Simply grab it and twist and pull it out. Now that we have access to the cabin filter tray, all we need to do is squeeze both sides and pull the tray out. In our case, this side, the two tabs on this side is broken, but this is what you will do. You will squeeze on both sides and pull it out. Like I mentioned, on our case, both of these are broken, but if you have it, all you have to do is squeeze it. Now we can see our filter. Simply grab it, slide it out of the way, and here's your old one. Before we install the new filter in, we want to make sure that we look at the arrow. In the old one, if we look at it, it says airflow pointing down. And on the new one, there is an arrow pointing down. Basically, simply line it up and slide it in. Make sure that arrow goes down. That's for the airflow. Now we can go ahead and install the cover. Simply line it up, push it in place until it clicks. Now we can install these on both sides. Simply go up, line up the hole, and twist them into place. Do the same on the other side. And now we can go ahead and install the rod. Simply line it up with the hole and push it in. Now you can close the glove box, and that's job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.